Understanding the phrase, gouging, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic in store for you. We are going to explore the meaning of the phrase, gouging, how it's used in different contexts, and provide some examples to help you understand how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. The term, gouging, is derived from the verb, gouge, which means to cut or dig something out. However, when we use the phrase, gouging, in everyday conversation, it often takes on a more specific and figurative meaning. In a general sense, gouging refers to charging someone an unfairly high price for goods or services, especially in situations where the buyer has little or no other option. It's viewed as an exploitative practice, taking advantage of someone's necessity or urgency. Example 1. During emergencies. In times of natural disasters or emergencies, some sellers might significantly increase the prices of essential goods like water, food, or gasoline. This practice is commonly referred to as price gouging, and it's often illegal and punishable by law. Example 2. In business. In a business context, gouging can also refer to situations where a company charges excessively high prices for its products or services, regardless of the circumstance. This might be due to a lack of competition, monopoly, or simply unethical business practices. Example 3. In everyday language. You might also hear gouging used more casually to describe situations where someone feels they have been charged an unfair amount, even if it's not as extreme as the examples mentioned before. For instance, I went to the concert last night, and they were gouging prices at the concession stand. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, gouging. We hope this video has shed some light on how this term is used in various contexts and has helped you understand how to use it correctly in your own conversations. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and understanding the nuances of phrases like gouging can greatly enhance your communication skills. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Goodbye for now.